Have you ever seen a multi-tool hammer or used a tactical pen? In this video, we will look at some coolest gadgets men will love. Links with the prices are in the description below. Let's go! Number 1. Brushless Drill. A cordless drill with a smart HD display for torque adjustment. This drill is one of the most convenient tools that a person can own. From having high torque that can be adjusted with a touch of a finger to having several modes that include a pulse mode. This tool is perfect for both beginners and experts. Compared with the traditional electric drill, this electric drill has a minimalist and innovative shape design. The fuselage is made of matte material integrated design, smooth and delicate. Unlike most battery drills, it has a built-in battery on top instead of a removable battery that needs to be plugged into the base, which makes it very lightweight, smaller and easier to hold. USB-C charging lets you charge at any time with a power bank or other USB-C port electronics. The compact lightweight drill is suitable for one-hand operation to improve work efficiency. Cordless and portable design ideal for indoor and outdoor work. This stylish and modern power drill is definitely more than enough for most DIY projects or home projects. Number 2. Multitool Hammer. We can all agree that no matter how cautious a person can be, there will always be something that ends up getting broken or damaged around the house. This hammer isn't a 1 or even 5-in-1 tool, it's a shocking 16-in-1 hammer. This tool has everything ranging from an average hammer and nail puller to a wire cutter, bottle opener, knife, compass, screwdriver, you get the idea. It's pretty durable, as well as it's made of high-quality stainless steel and military-grade production technology. On top of that, it comes with a snazzy nylon protective pouch that can keep it clean and safe. Number 3. Tactical Pen. This tactical pen body is made of high-quality aluminum alloy. This can be used for business signing and everyday writing that can be easily clipped into your pocket for easy portability. The nib is made of aluminum alloy tungsten steel, which is durable, lightweight, and resistant to oxidation and corrosion. It's small, flexible, and fun gadget gift for men and women. It can fit in your pocket, briefcases, and backpacks. The metal ballpoint pen perfectly solves the problem of ink leakage, and the gyro can be properly decompressed. 2 screwdrivers and 8-in-1 tactical pen can provide simple manual assistance for your outdoor activities. The flashlight is handy in the dark outdoors or indoors. It can light the way forward or help you find things. Number 4. Pure Speaker. When we purchase speakers, having a concert-like experience is one of the main things that one would look for. The Discover speaker is one that will deliver on that promise. It's a wireless smart speaker that you can connect with your favorite music platform, and more with emphasis on the word smart when connected to Alexa. The speakers will launch and will play your favorite radio station, or play your Spotify playlist with an immersive 360-degree audio. Number 5. VR Glasses. The future is finally here, and it comes in the shape of VR glasses. You might be wondering what's all this buzz about these VR glasses, and what makes them so different from others on market. These are award-winning glasses, and they've won the 2021 Wire Gadget Award for Best Wearable Tech for a very good reason. There's nothing like them out there. They can be paired with your phone and used with your favorite apps and streaming services. They're also the definition of portable. They can be easily folded and brought anywhere. Thanks to their lightweight in addition, they can be screen mirrored to other devices, so you can let others enjoy the fun with you. Number 6. Bondic. The idea that a product is capable of fixing any damaged goods in a matter of seconds sounds crazy. However, it's actually quite the opposite of that. Meet Bondic, the patented liquid plastic that will help you fix any broken items, even if it's made out of metal, as well as seal up holes, insulate wires, fill gaps, and not to mention create 3D shapes out of thin air. There's no limit to how you can use Bondic. It's 50 times more powerful than conventional glue and doesn't make any mess or leave a sticky residue when dry. Number 7. inReach Mini 2. inReach Mini 2 is the ultimate GPS tracker that takes the idea of trackers to the next level, but not in a stalkerish way. It's a two-way tracker that you can take with you on your adventures, whether it's backpacking in the wilderness or taking a hike on a mountain trail. If any emergency takes place, it will trigger the GPS tracker to reach out to near search and rescue monitoring centers, even if there's no cell service around. It also can withstand all sorts of difficult environments, including rain and muddy grounds. It provides navigation routes to get you back to safety once again. Number 8. Real-time translation. This is an amazing gadget that every traveler needs. I think we all know how difficult it can be to communicate with people in non-English speaking countries. This gadget will resolve this issue once and for all. This is capable of translating 36 different foreign languages with ease. So you don't have to worry about communication with a foreigner anymore. The two-way translator is easy to use. All you have to do is press a button and speak into it, and it will do the rest. And even if you're not traveling, you can use this to learn new languages. This voice translator, also known as a pocket talker, is extremely lightweight and easy to carry. It conveniently fits into any pocket, ensuring you have it on hand when you need it. This is tested, durable, and trustworthy. Number 9. Battery Organizer. This battery organizer is the perfect tool that will make all your problems disappear. It will help you organize your batteries in a manner that you will never have trouble again in finding the correct battery for the task. The battery vault even includes a battery tester that can test each battery and let you know if they still work. A transparent lid design makes it easier to identify which batteries you have in stock, which you need to replenish, and what's available. Number 10. LighterBro. When it comes to designing lighters, there is not much leeway to alter this small gadget yet. This durable and reusable metal lighter case is made from 100% stainless steel, heat-treated, and nearly indestructible. The company LighterBro has managed to design and create one of the most useful lighters you will ever see. The Multitool lighter is a 7-in-1 lighter that will become your right-hand man, whether you're a smoker or not. This lighter is equipped with both a regular and mini screwdriver, a key ring, a bottle opener, a knife, and a poker. In addition to the lighter, of course, their insert allows you to transform your fire starter into a small toolkit designed to seamlessly fit CLIPR and BXT lighters. Upgrade your igniter so that you always have the tool you need at hand. This lighter case is great for partying, barbecuing, fishing, camping, everyday use, wilderness survival, skateboarding, hunting, and more. Number 11. Magnetic Pickup Tool. Mechanics, techs, and handymen are always looking for the most convenient and latest tools to add to their toolboxes. And although this next tool has a simple concept, it's a must-have for anyone who's interested in expanding their toolbox. The magnetic pickup tool is exactly what you'd imagine it to be. It can smoothly pick up any nails, bolts, nuts, and screws that you might drop while working. You can also simply place it near where you're working on a metallic surface and enjoy its hand-free use. Number 12. Electric Flashlight. Wild Adventures knows the importance of a handy-dandy flashlight that is a must for any trip. So today we're introducing to you an electric flashlight. A flashlight with multiple incredible twists. When you place the top cover of the flashlight, it instantly transforms into a waterproof flashlight that can work underwater. This flashlight is equipped with a compass and will guide you back to safety, along with the 100-lumen LED flashlight that will light as far as 20 meters of distance. The lighter will also help you light a fire to keep you warm. Number 13. Magnetic Wristband. This is a gadget that's been dubbed as a handyman's best friend. This wristband is a magnetic wrist support that's made from strong neodymium magnets. These magnets will allow small tools, no matter the weight, to stick onto the wristband. Stay secure even if you try to shake them. It can handle a wide variety of tools ranging from pliers and cutters to wire crimpers. The design of the wristband is the cherry on top. It's comfortable and adjustable with a thumb loop that will allow you to work freely while having it on. If it wasn't already useful enough, the magnetic wristband is also equipped with a powerful 3 LED adjustable flashlight that provides a bright ray of light when you're working. We hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.